Hello, my name is Baptiste Salis. I'm from France. I'm 40 years old and I am a pilot for vintage airplane. And we are coming especially for the event in the Czech Republic. And we are very honoring for the first time to come.
Could you please tell us some experience about this plane?
Yes.
How it's flying with this?
I flew the P-47. It's a fighter during the Second War. It's American stuff. It's typically a very, very heavy and probably the most biggest fighter of the Second War. It's equipped with an engine Pratt & Whitney 2,800 cubic inch, and it's close to just more than 2,000 horsepower. 18 cylinders on 2 rows of 9 cylinders, and it's very, very solid and strong airplane.
Could you please tell us some history about this plane?
Yes, this plane you don't use really this one on during the war, but the scheme is a really scheme that really operates during the Second War.
What is your most favorite vintage aircraft and why? Is it P-47?
The P-47 it's very kind to present for the Airshow, but my lover it's Corsair, the Dash 5 we have in my family also, and this one is borrowed by the Ultimate Fighter in UK, especially for the seasons, and we are very happy to fly in.